Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9 channel. So one more video for the topic how to generate ideas for IELTS writing task 2 essays. Okay, so here I have picked another topic, that is environment. Okay, this is also very common topic among these task 2 essays. Okay, I have already covered 4 more topics and this is the 5th one. Okay, so how we are going to get these get another words or vocabulary words out of that topic? So this is the main thing. You should do this kind of practice before finally starting practice for writing task 2. It's very important to follow this kind of activity. You can follow if you are if you are good in English, then also I would suggest you to do 5-6 just pick 5-6 common topics that are coming in task 2 and try to generate ideas about that topic. So now I have written this word. How I am going to do it, please follow it, or you can pause this video and try to bring your own ideas first. Not ideas, I am not talking about ideas, first vocabulary words relating to the topic. See, in IELTS, whether you are speaking for this topic or you are writing for this topic related words are very important. So I am writing it here. So it is not necessary you are going to use very hi-fi words. Like topic related vocabulary is important. Okay, related important vocabulary, like we will discuss it now. Okay, let's start. So for environment, what we can get, so whatever comes in mind I will be writing it. This is initially a good activity to start with your writing task 2 practice. Okay, so for environment, so the first thing it comes into my mind, environment is like nowadays it is polluted environment. Okay, I'm just writing the points. So what second thing I can think about that? Global warming. Yes, global warming. Okay, next what we can get? Greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases. Okay, what we can next? And okay, carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide, emission of CO2 from vehicles, from cars or automobiles. Okay, now next what I can think about this environment? So habitat for many animals. Habitat you can say, or habitat, it's all up to you. Habitat for many animals. Okay, okay, what else I can think about environment? So yes, environment related issues. Okay, in our environment what we have? Weather. Okay, now another term it comes in my mind, climate change. Yes, this is also a debatable topic, climate change. Okay, and climate change, due to climate change what we can have? Okay, let's we will just focus on the main words initially, then we will just dive into the topic. Okay, weather, and what else it comes in my mind? Like flora and fauna. So it is also a part of environment, flora and fauna. Okay, of course water resources. Okay, so environment is a vast topic. Okay, let's change my pen for better this thing. Water resources, what I can get? Another thing. Okay, polluted river. So it is relating to that, polluted river. Okay, then we can get, okay, Environment. We can have environmentalist. Okay, conservatives. Okay. Okay. How to deal with environmental problems. Whatever comes to your mind, please write it here. Deal with the environmental problems. I'm writing it here. Okay, I have to just adjust it. Okay. Oh yes, one more. Should government protect the environment alone? This is also a debatable topic. It can come into the writing task too. Okay, environmental issues. Okay, like yes, endangered species. Okay, endangered species, and relating to that, extinction of some species. Okay. Okay, let's turn to the next page. Before turning to the next page, I will show it to you. See, this is the thing I have written for one topic. See, for one topic I have written this much of things, so we can just elaborate this topic. Okay, so we can just elaborate this topic. So polluted environment. Okay, polluted environment, what we can get another word for polluted environment? For polluted environment we can have water pollution. Okay, just a minute. Water pollution. Okay, air pollution, land pollution. What else we can have? Another kind of pollution: air, water, land. So or any other kind of pollution, and air pollution is related to CO2. Okay, emission. Now emission is emissions from okay, land pollution. Scrap problem is there. Okay, garbage problem is there. Just because of these problem, garbage. Okay, land pollution, as well as land pollution is because of just whatever, just think the relative things like land pollution we are talking about. How it is possible, how land is polluted by scrap, garbage, and what else we can say? Use of polluted water, throwing of polluted water on the soil. Okay, by factories, and use of more fertilizers by farmers. This is also part of land pollution. Okay, so global warming. So what are the reasons for global warming? Just expand your topic, each topic. Reasons like reasons for global warming. First of all, air pollution. Okay, and air pollution, and more industrialization. Due to this, what is happening? Increase in temperatures, and greenhouse effects are also there. So effects, I am writing it here. Effects, you can see here, effects. Okay, so these all are relating to habitat. Many animals, like house, like what is habitat? Habitat is where animals live. And if we do many large scale of deforestation, then they will lose this habitat. Okay. And what else? Environmental related issues, of course, deforestation and everything is environmental issues. Weather, climate change, yes, droughts are there, floods are there. Okay. uh, Droughts, floods are there. Unexpected rains, unexpected rains cover under like floods. Okay. Unexpected tidal, what we call it, cyclones are there. Okay. Cyclones comes in this climate change. Okay. Flora and fauna. So here flora and fauna, what we can write for fauna, plants and animals we are talking about. Okay. And animals. So it is all related to climate, environment. So water resources, we have polluted river because of industrialization, because of drainage system, because of expanding of human urbanization. Okay. So there also, from there also we are just throwing the water, drain water into the rivers. That's why river is going. And water resources, you can always write what are the water resources we have. We have river water, pond water, and like if you write any word, any topic, you just think about that topic only. I mean to say, that's why I am just doing the topic related to environment. See, so many things. So till now I haven't developed this topic fully, so I'm trying to just get more ideas. Okay. Endangered species. Okay. Conservative breeding centers are also there. Okay. Breeding centers are there. Government is trying to save animals by breeding centers, like special parks are there in India also, I have seen, and outside also you must have seen these kinds of things. Let's go to the another page. Now I have taken another page, and out of these 10 topics I am doing this. Okay. So disasters you can talk about. We have left the topic disasters, like many earthquakes. Okay. Earthquakes. Okay. Let's change the. Okay. So living things and non-living things. I'm changing the pen again. Okay. So yes. So how we should save the environment? Save the environment to save our ecosystem. You must remember this ecosystem. Okay. To save ecosystem by not cutting trees and forest. Okay. These things you can. Now we have just come up with the sentences having different words relating to environment issue. Okay. So now we were discussing about endangered species. Okay. Endangered species. Here you can give examples if you remember. E.g. Blue whales. Okay. White elephants. You can just write anything. And of course we are talking about to save ecosystem, like we should avoid, and government should take strict actions against what? Poaching of animals. Okay. Poaching of animals for the sake of profits. Okay, for the sake of industry and profit. So okay, so what we can have to save our environment? Eco-friendly word is also there. Eco-friendly methods should be adopted. Okay, like nowadays electric vehicle is also coming up. Okay, electric vehicles. And if you talk about solar energy is also related to environment. Solar energy is also part of it. Okay, and we can have energy efficient things we can adopt. Okay, carbon footprints we have already written. So what else we have left? So I am taking another pen. Okay, so so how we can solve this problem? So another word is also there, safeguard the environment. Safeguard the environment. Okay, safeguard the environment. So in this way you can develop so many words. Just take interest in that topic, and when you will be doing this kind of activity, definitely you will be able to develop ideas for your writing task too. Okay, this is my challenge, I am just telling you. So toxic waste is also there, out of factories. Okay, in this way you can see in second page also I have written so many things. Please keep doing it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. So let's start with writing task 2, and we have developed a topic, environment. So out of that environment and its vocabulary related to that topic, so we are going to utilize that vocabulary into this essay. First you develop ideas and vocabulary and words for that topic. First you brainstorm about a topic that is very important for IELTS point of view, for speaking as well as for writing, and then pick the same topic kind of writing task 2, and then you just see the magic of your good ideas and good vocabulary words. You will not feel that you are not having vocabulary words relating to the topic. It's important to have vocabulary words relating to the topic only, not hi-fi words. Okay, so let's read this question. Some people say that the main environmental problem of our time will be the loss of particular animals. So I have forgotten to write this particular animals, species and plants. Okay, animals, particular species of animals and plants. Okay, others say that there are bigger ecological issues worth addressing. Okay, so discuss both perspective and let us know what do you think. So first, so what are the rules, how you are going to write the essay? First you have to plan your essay. So for planning, first number one step is always read the question. How many times? 3 or 4 times. Okay, to understand the meaning of, okay, to meaning of question statement. Okay, so let's read it again to understand. First part of society is saying due to this problem we will be losing particular loss of particular species of animals and plants, means we are going to use the word endangered species, okay, of animals and plants in our ecosystem. We will be using for environmental problem, what we are going to use, natural disasters, we can use environmental pollution, change of climate. So all the words we are going to utilize it that we have created in brainstorming. Okay, so others say that they are bigger ecological issues worth addressing it. Okay, they are bigger ecological issues worth they are addressing. So we will be discussing another major disasters, natural disasters like earthquake, flooding, droughts, everything we will be discussing it in this. Here we will be discussing why we will be losing these animals and species because of these problems. So discuss both perspective. One point of view is saying this is the major problem, main problem, understand? The main word is main environmental problem. Another says this is not the main problem, this is the main problem. Let's discuss. So all are interrelated actually, so they have their fight, okay, doesn't matter. So first, of course, for planning, what I told you to do, always read. Now I have understood the both the point of view. So here means perspective, here means discuss both view. Okay, let us know what do you think, means give your opinion. Okay, second step, what we are going to do, second step, as I always told you, now we have come to know about topic, main topic and subtopics. Okay, third, important keywords and it's what you must be knowing, similar words. Okay, and it's similar words, because every time we are not going to use the word environmental problem, animals, bigger ecological issues, so we are going to use different words. Okay, so let's mark it here, para 1. So now let's plan for paragraphs, para 1 and para 2, what we are going to write. I have done. So in rough you will be doing this. Okay, you have to plan your essay. You will be provided with space, I mean to say, on question paper you will be doing, you will have enough space to plan your essay. Okay, first 8-9 minutes you will be doing planning for writing this. If you have roughly planned your essay, of course your essay will be in a good shape. Okay, so what we first what we are going to discuss, in first body paragraph I am going to discuss, they are saying, according to them, this is the major problem. Okay, so for what we are going, so ecosystem, so of course the major problem would be like it will destroy major ecosystem. Okay, major ecosystem on earth or on planet we can write, and due to this major ecosystem, due to this many animals would lose their habitats. Okay, so when they will lose their habitats, first you have to create the situation, create the scenario, what they want to say. Okay, so will destroy major, what will destroy? Natural disaster. Okay, environmental problem, I am not going to write it again and again, so I will be writing here natural disasters or environmental problem. You can first you write it and this word we have to use it here also. So later on we will be will think and change this word also. So for would lose their habitats and of course they will die. Okay, animals would die, so we will be losing endangered species. Okay, so many animals would be in their endangered zone. Okay, endangered species would be no more. Okay, no more on this planet, on this earth, on this earth. Okay, now we have to give example. So why or you can say yes with the for natural disaster, see, you will be cutting, you will be doing so many things on planning. That's why planning is important. So why natural disaster? Just because of because of, you can start because of human activities. Okay, human activities, it is creating environmental problem, and it will destroy major ecosystem on planet, that is more important for human life also, and we will lose many endangered species. We will lose, and they will extinct, the another word I have, they will extinct. Okay, the endangered species would be extinct on this earth. Okay, now let's give the example, like if the temperature, example I am writing it here. Okay, if the temperature would be rising up like this, their polar bears on the poles, on Antarctica, and on Antarctica would be on their verge, on their extinction. You can just write here. Okay, on their extinction. Okay, and if we talk about, and just because of a second point, just because of rising temperature. Okay, just because of rising temperature, nowadays Australian continent, so Australian continent is facing high temperature. Is Australian continent's coral reef. I want to discuss about coral reef here. Okay, coral reef. Okay, coral reefs are on extinction kind of scenario. Okay, extinction kind of thing. They have shrinked from large areas. Now they have shrinked. Okay, and these are really important for our ecological balance. Okay, so in second paragraph, what we are going to write, so they are bigger ecological issues worth addressing. So here in this, what we can write, number one, we can write here, just because of natural disasters we will be using here, natural disasters or natural calamities. Okay, like just now give example, like massive earthquakes. Okay, massive earthquakes, floods, droughts. Okay, so many cyclones, you can say cyclones. Now give cyclones example here. You can always give cyclones. Human beings are losing their lives on the planet. Okay, to illustrate it, what we can give example of massive earthquake in Nepal. Okay, in Nepal, where massive, we are not going to use a devastating, you use it here, devastating. See, first I have written the word again, then I have cut it myself. Okay, so devastating earthquake in Nepal claimed thousands in English, thousands of lives. Okay, and another prime example. You can give two examples, because all the things we have to discuss it through the examples. Prime example in 2004, when tsunami. When tsunami destroyed or ruined. Okay, so you must be thinking how so I am writing it in a bad thing. So while planning, I am also doing like that. Okay, ruined all the 5 countries. Okay, 5 countries like Malaysia. You can give example. Malaysia. What the spelling was? Malaysia. Okay, so I'm very bad at spelling, I think. Malaysia. Okay, I think this is also wrong. So Malaysia, Thailand. Okay, India's Andamans. Okay, Malaysia, Thailand, and I think Singapore also. Singapore. Okay, so these 4-5 countries, they have this tsunami, this cyclone, famous cyclone tsunami, have destroyed everything near the coastal area, and claimed I'm using it again, and it was the reason. So claimed, I'm not using it again. So it was the major reason for destruction of destruction of important properties, destruction of properties. Okay, properties, and loss of human life also. Okay, human life. So here you can just write it. So plan your essay and see. Now I will be telling you how many words I have used from the brainstorming. Okay, so ecosystem I have used. Okay, habitats was there also in that. So extinction also I have used. Temperature word was also there. Extinction I have used. So extinction, though, that we have used. Okay, natural disasters, earthquakes, massive floods. So these are the words I have taken from that brainstorm. Okay, devastating earthquake ho gaya. Now like these are the words. So many things I have taken from that brainstorming chart. Okay, so you can do it. You can plan it. You can plan. First you plan for one topic relating to IELTS. I will be providing you 10 more. It's more than 10, but first initially you do 10 topics with me and yourself. Okay, then you can do it better. Then first you brainstorm the topic and then select the task to like I have done it, and use those words into planning of your essay. Okay, now I hope you must be getting good ideas about how to generate ideas for writing tasks. Thank you so much.